Hi guys, Adam here from A to Z Body Fitness. Have you guys ever had lower back injuries, or have you had lower back pain, or is it just always tight down there because of the lack of flexibility and stretching you have? Well, today I'm going to show you how to loosen that up. So I'm going to show you how to loosen up your lower back with just a simple method with this chair. Okay, so we're going to do a few exercises today that's going to help open up your lower back. And depending on what you do in your life, if you have a very strenuous job or if you're sitting at a desk all day, you get a lot of lower back tightness, especially if you don't work out, or even if you work out a lot and you don't stretch. Either way, from opposite spectrum, if you do work out and you don't work out, you need to stretch. You have to stretch it out. As you get older, your muscles get tighter. You know, it's inevitable, it's going to happen. There's nothing that we can do to get away from that, except for the fact of stretching and foam rolling. Which is going to benefit you so much more, especially when you get older as well. Regardless at any age, you should be doing it. But I'm going to show you a few exercises today. So for the first one, what you're going to do is, just bear with me because I know, because of the camera angle, I can only do so much. But what you're going to do, you're going to get a chair, preferably one of the ones that fold out, because you can actually get the proper height that way. So the first exercise is what you're going to do is you're going to open up your feet like this. Okay, they're going to go roughly a little bit past shoulder length. And all you're going to do is you're going to keep up straight. You're going to hinge forward at your hip, okay? And you're going to come forward like this and go as low as you can. Put your hands on the floor if you need to brace yourself. You can go all the way down, and you're pretty flexible, okay? And you're just going to think about staying straight, going forward and down. And you're hinging and staying straight at the hip, okay? And you're going to go forward, and you're going to hold for a few seconds, and then you're going to come back up straight, okay? You should feel it in your lower back. If you have a really tight back, you're really going to feel that a lot, okay? You're also going to be feeling it in your glutes a little bit as well, and at the very top part of your hamstring, which is normal because those areas are working as well. But you want to, like I said, maintain a straight back, okay? You want to go down and out and keep your face parallel to the ground and look straight and go as far down as you're able to go without hurting yourself, okay? You want to challenge yourself a bit and then come back up. All right, you're going to repeat that for roughly 8 to 10 times for 3 sets. You're going to treat it like an exercise, and you're going to do these every day. You need to be able to loosen up your back muscles again in order to start feeling better and in order to stop you from getting injured back there as well. Now, if you have a really bad back injury, just take it slow. Go as far down as you can. Don't force yourself. Just listen to your body and what you can do. And the front angle looks like this, all right? Just to show you guys. Okay, so again, actually I'm going to sit further back. So you're going to open up the legs, place the feet down, okay, keep straight, go down as low as you can, all right, as low as you can go. I can go pretty low. My flexibility has always been pretty good. I've always stretched. I was actually very athletic when I was younger, so I've had no issues. And then you're going to come back up, and you're going to repeat that. Similar to the first, what you're going to do, you're going to open up the feet again, roughly shoulder width apart, okay? Stand up straight. And then this time what you're going to do is, you're going to actually bend down to the side, all right? Put your hand there to brace yourself as well, while trying to keep your body straight and go off to the side without hunching over like this. You want to stay straight, go off to the side. You should feel a pull on the side of your back, all the way to the side of your body, okay? And then push back up. Again, you want to use your lower back to come up. If you have to guide yourself or help yourself a bit with your hand, that's okay, but you want to make sure your lower back is doing most of the work. Then you do the other side. You go off to the side, keep your feet planted, try not to lift off the floor. You want to make sure it's stable, okay? Don't hunch, keep it straight, go off to the side, come back up, okay? You want to repeat, go off to the side, come back up. Just like this. Come back up, okay? Again, you want to do it roughly 8 to 10 sets. It's all about how you perform it versus the amount of reps. It's about quality, not quantity, okay? Quantity for this doesn't really play a factor. We want to make sure that you're doing it properly and you're doing it right, and that you're engaging your lower back as much as possible, all right? All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you incorporate these stretches often, they will help your lower back and other surrounding muscle groups as well, as they will start to get less tight. I wouldn't start doing these every single day if you're just starting out. Start with 3 times a week, and then after a couple of weeks, or when you start to feel that your body's loosening up, add a 4th time, and then follow the same process, add a 5th time, and then progressively overload once you start to get better, and then you'll start to notice that your flexibility and some of your pains in your lower back will start to go away. For a lot of people, sometimes it's just the fact of stretching. They just have to stretch and they'll get rid of some aches and pains in their lower body. If you guys like this video, subscribe, comment, like, share. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you guys in the next video.